Hola, hello. So today, folks, we are gonna be making some house chili bean. I know everybody has their own recipe. I know everybody has their own style to make chili, house chili. This is gonna be our recipe, and the ingredients are, first of all, one beer. That will be your choice of beer, whatever you want to do. Number two, one chili beans, kidney beans, one can. You got also 4 hands fire roasted diced tomato,
10
and 3 pounds of hamburger meat. And you say something about what?
90-10, very lean.
Very lean. So the first thing that we're doing now is browning the meat. First thing. Okay, folks. So 3 tomatoes is needed as well. 3 regular diced tomatoes. We also put in 1 onion, white onion, and 1 purple onion. As you can see, my husband is doing such a wonderful job making the meat. I suck at it, honestly, but he does such a great job. Okay, so out of 1 onion, we put half an onion with the meat and half a purple onion. Actually, you put the whole onion, right?
The whole
red onion.
Yes, and about half of the white.
So just checking, 1 whole purple onion and half an onion, and that will be the white one. So once the meat is done, folks, you can definitely add it up to your bigger pan, obviously. We put a little bit of mushrooms too, just probably 1 liter container. You can add the 3 tomatoes, 1 can of kidney beans, and 4 cans of fire roasted diced tomato, which is going to bring your flavor a lot better. Once you got it, all of that tomato, you can add a little bit of crushed pepper. That is up to your taste. You don't have to put it on. A little bit of garlic as well, so maybe 1 spoon of garlic. We add in also black pepper, just so you are aware. And a little bit of chili powder, so that will be up to your taste as well.
And cumin.
And lastly, we're gonna do 1 spoon of cumin. And of course, how can we forget, 1 beer. So the beer can be up to your choice, whatever you think is gonna be good for you. You want to make sure to stir everything in there nice and gently. All of your spices, all of your ingredients are already there. Now we're gonna let it simmer for how long, hon?
Oh, about 2 hours actually.
2 hours simmer time, so okay.
Let those flavors really blend. And I'm going to add a little more liquid here.
Liquid, okay, and that will be just water or?
Might as well. I'm
Okay.
trying to decide, should I add another beer?
Maybe another beer will
Let's
be
add another
better.
beer. That gives it more flavor and
Right.
it'll cook down.
Mm-hmm.
It'll thicken nicely.
Instead of using water, we added 2 beers. That will bring a lot of flavor to your chili. It smells already good. Now we're gonna let it simmer for 2 hours, people.
Stirring occasionally.
Stirring occasionally.
We'll bring this to a boil, and then we'll turn the heat down to simmer.
Okay. And now we need to wait for about 2 hours to let it simmer, and we'll be coming back once the product is done. Okay, folks, so finally it has been 2 hours already for our chili, house chili to just simmer. You can definitely add any cheese. You can add any sour cream or onion at your taste. This house chili, it is so good. I hope you guys like this recipe. Thank you for watching this video here at Jessica in Wisconsin. And happy Sunday. Happy Labor Day, people. Tomorrow is Labor Day here in USA. So I hope you guys like this recipe. And thank you for subscribing to the channel, giving us a like. And once again, thank you. Jessica in Wisconsin.